2021 GMC Canyon AT4. The 2021 GMC Canyon went through a lot of changes, considering that it is just a facelift. The biggest change was the introduction of Canyon AT4 trim, which replaces the all-terrain variant in the lineup, a change that was not too shabby. The 2021 GMC Canyon delivers a handful of changes, including a restyled grille, the addition of the new off-road-oriented AT4 trim level, to replace the all-terrain model, and a few other minor changes. There are also major changes to the trim level structure, which we have outlined in the following GM Authority exclusive. According to our dealer sources, the 2021 GMC Canyon trim level structure replaces several of the available trim levels, and even deletes one outright, moving away from the traditional SL, SLE, SLT, Denali, GMC trim level structure seen previously. The Canyon trim is replaced by A Elevation Standard, the SLE trim is replaced by A Elevation, and the all-terrain trim is replaced by the AT4. Meanwhile, the SLT trim is deleted, and one not have a replacement. There are more changes coming to the Canyon, particularly in its trim level for MY 2021. According to an exclusive report by the GM Authority, the GMC Canyon trim level structure and naming will change for the next model year, which includes the omission of one variant completely. This means the traditional SL, SLE, SLT, Denali, GMC trim level structure will be replaced. For 2021, the trim level structure will become Elevation Standard Elevation AT4 Denali, according to GM Authority. The Elevation Standard will start things off for the Canyon, standing as the entry-level variant for the truck. Elevation, on the other hand, will be replacing the SLE, while AT4 will be introduced as the replacement for the all-terrain level, as previously announced. However, the SLT trim level will be completely taken out of the trim level structure, which means Denali will serve as the top spec level after the AT4. The introduction of the Canyon AT4 is a nod to the brand's AT4 lineup that will become standard across the GMC range as an off-roading package. The GM Authority also reported some details about the upcoming Canyon Denali. It mentioned that the top-spec Canyon will get a redesigned grille that will have a more sculpted layered pattern, something you will see in the GMC Sierra 1500. The new trim level structure is not yet official, but if the GM Authority's dealer sources are to go by, expect an official announcement from GM in the months to come. What do you think of new 2021 GMC Canyon? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.